So this is the diagram of a parallelogram law of vector addition. I am considering a point O here, point O. From the point O, two vectors, vector P and vector Q. Both are not in the same order. It's not a compulsory in the case of parallelogram vectors. So I am just extending this vector P and marking a perpendicular line from the point B. So I am getting a right angle triangle OBD. Right angle triangle OBD. Okay, this is the base. OD is the base, BD is the perpendicular, and OB is the diagonal. The diagonal is our result. So I am writing like that. OB square. What is the OB? Resultant vector. That is our answer also. OB square equal to OD square plus DB square. Base square plus perpendicular square. What is this OD? I can to write the OD in this way. OA plus AD. OA plus AD all square plus DB square. So you can to see now OA plus AB just like a plus B all square form. So I just extending a plus B all square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So OA square plus 2OAAD plus AD square plus DB square. Clear everyone? I am just extended a plus B all square form. Then we should substitute some data here. OB. What is OB? OB means R. Am I right? What is OA? OA means vector P. And what is AD? AD means Q cos theta because this line is an inclined line. It have a two property. AB line is an inclined line. It have a vertical property and horizontal property. So AD is the horizontal property and this is angle theta also. So we should write it as Q cos theta in the case of AD. So I am substituting AD equal to Q cos theta and DB. What is DB? GB. That is the vertical component also. That is called as Q sin theta. So our expression is like that. OB square equal to OA square. What is OA? P square plus 2 into OA into AD. That means OA means P and AD means, what is AD? AD means Q cos theta. So P Q cos theta plus DB square. What is DB? Q sin theta. So Q square sin square theta. Okay, clear everyone? So AD square equal to Q square cos square theta. So all the square I will replaced R. OB means R. R equal to square root of P square plus 2PQ cos theta plus Q square. You know angle BOA that is called as alpha from the triangle ODB. So I can to write tan alpha. What is the expression of tan alpha in trigonometry? Adjacent side by opposite side. Yes, adjacent side by opposite. What is the adjacent side here? BD by OD. Opposite side by adjacent side. BD by OD. So BD, OD we can write it as OA plus AB. So OA plus AB. So tan alpha equal to BD divided by OA plus AD. So that's the reason tan alpha equal to Q sin theta divided by P plus Q cos theta. Okay, whenever the theta value is 0, cos 0 equal to 1, sin 0 equal to 0. So resultant vector square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ. So R equal to P plus Q and alpha come to 0. When maybe the theta equal to 90, cos 90 equal to 0, sin 90 equal to 1, R equal to P square plus Q square. Tan alpha equal to P by Q and alpha equal to 0. And when theta equal to 180, cos 180 equal to minus 1, sin 180 equal to 0. So R equal to square root of P square plus Q square minus 2PQ. So R equal to P minus Q and alpha equal to 0. And the third addition method is polygon law of vectors. The number of vectors A, B, C, D, etc. are represented both in magnitude and direction by the sides of a open polygon taken order to resultant R is taken by the closed side of the polygon taken in the opposite order. That means I am consider A vector in the same order B vector, same order C vector, D vector, E vector. Only 5 vector is considered. Only one side is left. That side is just opposite order you should arranged. That is our resultant vector. This method is called as polygonal law of vector addition. So this is the three different vector addition method: triangular, polygonal and parallelogram vector addition. Okay then, thank you.